KC3AM here in Delaware, October 29th, 2024. Just got one of these end-fed half-wave antenna kits from HFKits. It's sold through ARRL. Built it as supposed to be. It's hard to, I mean, you can't see it, but it's 18 feet in the air. Horizontal. Goes out to a pole in that corner. Comes out to a pole in the far corner of the yard. And it just actually fits there just about perfect. The counterpoise, again, you can barely see it, but it's a piece of 18 gauge white wire coming across to that pole and then actually sloping down to the fence. And I just measured that out, or I just walked it out approximately the same length as the supplied wire that comes with the antenna kit. The piece of RGA coax you can see hanging here, you know, only 6 feet off the ground. You know, it goes up the tower, back down the tower into the house, and a spectacular results. I'm not even going to bother to turn the phone off. I'm just going to walk in. Oh, Missy wants to come in. Okay, Missy wants to come in. So one of the cats is in. But anyway, as I come down the basement here, and into the shack, already made one contact with it on 15 meters, 21052, out to Iowa a few minutes ago, before I even put the analyzer on it. But the analyzer is looking relatively good. I'm quite happy with how the antenna looks just as it is. Right now I got marker 1 at 7.3, which is sitting right over here. It's below that second peak. That second peak is actually at 8.1 meg, at 1.26 to 1. But when I bring it down to 7.1, it's still saying 1.5. And even at 7.3 megs, it's sitting at 2.0. So I'm not complaining about it. Marker number 2. You can see down the bottom is actually sitting at 13.9, which is just below 20 meters, and it's only 1.5 to 1, so quite nice there. Marker 3 is sitting at what's it say? 21 megs even, 21.0, so just the bottom end of 15 meters. And that SWR, that reflected power, is 1.7. And marker 4 is sitting at 28.0, or actually 28.05, with 1.46, so 1.5 to 1 SWR. So I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. Let me go over to marker 2. Marker 2 is the one that's at 13.8. So if I move it a bit to get it, there's 14.2, and it's like 1.9 to 1. I don't know that I'm going to do anything with this antenna other than use it. The 590 SG tunes up on all 4 bands without a question, so it makes the radio happy. So I'm not going to complain any. I'm quite happy with how it's working so far. We'll see what else it does. But like I said, first contact, 60 watts, CW out to Iowa. And I changed between a Cushcraft R7 vertical and the end-fed half-wave. And although he sounded better on the vertical, he said I sounded better on the end-fed. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, we'll try some of the other radios here with it. I got the one Drake station, the 2 NT, I could try the Drake TR3, the Yaesu 757, or come over to the Drake Twins. I'll see what happens when I use a manual tuner with it, but I'm sure it's going to work like a champ. Have a good one. KC3AM, again, October 29th, 2024. The ARRL 40 meter end-fed half wave. They buy it off of HFKits over, I think, in the Netherlands. Thank you much. Catch us later.